We are here at Pacaya Volcano, literally at the base of the lava flow, and here is the lava store. What is so cool about Novica is that they source their artisans at the edge of the earth, in the most remote places on earth. These guys, Fernando and David, make their jewelry out of lava, petrified lava, and coconut shells, and literally sell it here at this store at the base of an active volcano. They've had to change their store 12 times, their locations, because the lava flow has wiped them out. And now Novica represents them, and you can buy their wonderful jewelry on novica.com.